In order to do simple movements of daily life, such as getting something out of a drawer or picking something up off the floor or reaching for the top shelf, it is important that our hinge joints are working well. For instance, even if you're not focused on a 500-pound squat, if you want to sit back to get something up off the floor, you need your knee and your hip and your ankle to all hinge correctly. It does you no good for me to say, maintain a neutral spine, hold the weight in close to you, set your shoulder blades, if you can't do it. So there's a few stretches that you can incorporate to help you achieve these movements more easily. For instance, the simple sitting back, obviously, we need some flexibility here, we need some flexibility here, and we definitely need some flexibility in the ankles. In order for you to get your shoulder blades in the right place, you need some openness here, as well as, of course, an understanding of what is neutral spine and how do I maintain it. So that's what we will be covering in this series.